Hello friends, in this video I will describe about the HTML code of registration web page, which is like on the screen registration web page. In this registration web page, which consists some fields like registration ID, username, password and many more. In this HTML code, in the head tag consists title tag, registration page and body tag. First of all, we have made the table using table tag and like structure is table and form. Form tag consists of many row and column. Using tr tag, we have made the new row. This line of code, which consists of registration page, first of all registration page. In this table, we have used one column for title, second column for field for take the input. Registration page is only in row. First row consists registration page with call span equal to 2, tr tag and th tag. Next, registration ID. First column, second row, first column, registration ID and using label tag and same row, second column consists input tag type text. We have seen the above, same as well as for username. Label tag using username take the new row using tr tag and in this take the new row using tr tag and column 1 consists label username and second column for input type text. Repeat same process for password. Take the new row, give the label password using label tag and input type password. Password is must be hide. So here show is dotted and make the field first name and last name same as username and registration ID. Only change the label name. First name and last name. Input type text. Now we now make the field gender, which consists of two options, male or female. At the same time, select only one field, either male or female, not both. So here, take the new row, label is gender and input type radio button. So radio, input type is radio. First of all, for male, and second is for female. Now next field is date of birth. Take the new row and first column is for label, name is date of birth, and in the same row, next second column is for take the input as date and input type is date. Select any date using this feature. Next field is address. Take the new row and first column consists the label tag or label name is address, and next column is consist of take the input as a text area tag and with attribute rows and columns. Rows number of rows is 2 and column number of column is 20. You have give the any number for number of rows and number of columns text area, and you have changed the size of text area. Next label is city and it consists of drop down menu and select any one city at a one time. For this feature, we have used the select tag. In nested selected, we have used the option tag. Option using option tag, you have give them any number of option for select the city. In this HTML file, we have used any three city. First option tag attribute value and give the value is Surat. Second for Visnagar and third for Rajkot. This drop down menu, you select the Surat, so display Surat. Either you select Rajkot, so you will display Rajkot. Same as set state and country. For state field and country field, same code as a city. Only change for label name here state and here country, and option tag which attribute value here in city tag give the Surat, Visnagar, Rajkot, and for state is Gujarat, Punjab, Delhi, and country India, UK, USA. For next field is hobbies. Here hobbies take the new row and give the label is hobby, and second column consists of checkbox. We have You have select any number of checkbox, either one or two or three. For this feature, we have used input type checkbox, and in same input tag value give the R, W and S for reading, writing and singing. Reading, writing and singing is a label, and here square box is for checkbox input type. Next field is mobile number. Take the new row and label using label tab. Give the label is mobile number. Input type is tel. So you have give the mobile number. Next field is attach CV. Label take the new row and give the label is attach CV. And in this field you have upload any file from your device. So input type file. You have click on the choose file. So you have upload the file like this, and last is submit button and reset button. For submit the data and you choose reset button, so refresh the page. So here number of column is 1 and row is 1. So take the new row and column span is equal to 2 and align is center. So submit button, reset button which are center. So input type submit and input type reset. This table align is center. So this is code is for HTML code, and now we will discuss about CSS code. Here I have used the inline CSS code. CSS code write in head tag using style tag. We have used element selector like body. So background image using background image give the radial gradient for this color using this color red, orange and yellow. You select any color using this color. So here background is yellow, orange and red. Background of web page. And for this blue and purple color using table element give the background image same as for body. Here table linear gradient violet, blue and aqua. Violet, blue and aqua. So here color is for Text color. Text color is white. And border. Table border. Table border is select solid 2 px is this width and color is like this. Border color. See the this dashed line for input field, not any other. So this feature is using input element selector and border is dashed 1 pixel is width and color is pink. HTML code is completely described and now here you have see the this dashed line for input field, not any other. So this feature is using input element selector and border is dashed 1 pixel is width and color is pink. HTML code is completely described and now we will see the here in the body tag this code is for HTML element on the web page using table tag and form tag. Outer tag is table and inner tag is form. A line of the table is center and consists of many fields. And in the head tag using style tag write this CSS code. Outer tag is head and inner tag is style tag and use the element selector like body, table and input from this HTML element. We will give the input from registration page, registration ID, username, password, first name, last name, select the gender, date of birth, address, select the city and select the state, select the country and select the hobbies. Give the mobile number. Choose file from your device and submit the data. Thank you.